Okay, good morning. Today is 21st of December 2022, and I'm watching some markets for me to have a very good swing trade opportunities for the past few days or weeks. And there's one that just caught my eye that I've been looking at on, which is called AUD card. AUD card. So um, the AUD card CPI just came out today. I guess it just came out today. Been watching this setup for some days now. So their CPI came out today and came out negative. And as you can see, Australian dollar is, I think, is about going up. It's about going up also because of the pump that's going to happen in Bitcoin, going to happen in what's it called, USD, and as you can see, USD is pumping. So I'm just going to leave this for now. I'm still focusing on my 1,400, 1,840 for my gold. Dollar is still getting weak. You had an opportunity to break above this and start trending up again, giving us a head and shoulders pattern. If I can just take this out, giving us a head and shoulders pattern on what's it called, to build. I guess which is this, to build, which is this, because looking at this as our left shoulder, our right shoulder, and our left shoulder, our head, and our right shoulder is building right now, which I'm still looking at on because as you can see, this was a lower high. We are failing to create on that lower low. This is what I'm looking out for right now. I'm seeing this consolidation here, and I'm seeing us expanding to the upside before definitely my flush down. So if I'm going to give analysis, I'm just trying to do a quick rundown on what I'm looking at on gold. I guess so. I'm looking for something like this to happen on gold. Since we're failing to break this lower low, we can break above this previous lower high to create a higher high, then form a lower low here, then we'll come here to see if we can break this important what's it called, resistance level. We can break it, then we'll do like this and go up. If we cannot break it, then we come like this, start breaking down everything, then come down again. This is what I'm looking at if we continue like this, I guess number. So for this trade setup I'm watching right now is on AUD card again. So I'm giving these I'm watching closely on this. If I can drop down to the lower time frame, you can see that we're on this beautiful channel. I guess we've been on this beautiful channel and what's it called? What do you call it? On this beautiful um, downward sloping channel, which is a bullish biased channel. So I'm watching everything that's going on this channel right now. Let me break it down. So I'm following this channel and see what's going to happen. I'm seeing what's going to happen. So this was our previous entry. I didn't take this trade. That's why I've been watching it. So if I can drop to my 4-hour time frame and show you what I'm saying. Let me go back to my daily time frame and show you what I'm saying. Previously, we've been on this channel. We came up to these, what's it called? We broke previous lower low, higher low, lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. We broke, and I think we took out all these highs, giving us a change of character, which has flushed us to the downside. And I'm seeing an entry here for us to go to the upside. Might not be explaining it very well, but professional traders will understand whatever I'm explaining right now and why I think we're coming from this high here. So I've seen setup like this play out my way. Now let's drop down to lower time frame, which is the daily. We've come up again. We've broken above all these highs. So definitely I believe we're retracing 30%. I believe we're retracing 30%. to go into highs again. So definitely, if this is a change of character that we are having right now, I guess in the COH we're having right now. Come get this out. If we're having a change of character here, that means we're doing is either 0.3% or 0.5% to the upside. So if I should drop to my 40 time frame, find out whatever is going on, as you can see, we're trending in exchange character here already on our lower time frame. As you can see, we've been trending. Let me see if I can get something. Trending A, B, C. Sorry, Elliott wave. How can I calculate this? I wish I could use my paid account. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I think I need to use my Elliott wave too, so that it will make sense. I guess in 1, A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Elliott wave. I guess in so. And the rules of Elliott wave is that one must not break above what's it called, true. So this is an important area of value that we have according to my Elliott wave, the way I do my what's it called. This is an area of value which definitely once we change character, I don't see us coming into into. So if I can just take this up, okay, let me just draw my field retracement level. I believe we're binging on a 0.382 retracement level. But definitely we're coming to 0.618, which I don't think we will pass to, or we are also just definitely. Let me give you something about Elliott wave. Once Elliott wave does 5 legs and it does an ABC move, that's it. That's an indication that we're trending to the upside. So if we can do this on Elliott wave, then I know that our what's it called? Our leg up has started. So this is what I'm looking at. What's it called? Let me delete this. Sorry. So this is what I'm looking at for. Hold on. So this is what I'll be looking out for on this structure to build for me to, I'll be assured that we're taking this trade from 0882 and we're bringing it all the way up to, and we're bringing up the way. But I will just follow price. I'll just follow price and see what the price are doing. I'll even go to my 1 hour time frame and start trading some day trading setups out of it. But on the long run, is for a swing trader, will be about taking. I believe that this is where we are coming to, which is this area of value where we had a lot of resistance. So I can start dropping down to calculate whatever is going to happen here from that place to this place. This is 1382. So if I should go to my profit calculator and I'm using 5 lot and I'm buying from probably, I don't know if it will get there, 0.88. If I'm buying from, hold on, if I'm buying from 8870, I'm using 5 lots, then ending my swing trade on that. If I'm swinging this for probably a month or two, let me just say 0.380 or even 0.350, preferably, because of not to be greedy. I'm swinging this should be about $54,000, 339, $54,000, 339 right now on the swing trade. Even though it's going to take 2 months, I'm a swing trader so that I can do other businesses I'm doing times the current price of dollar right now. That's about 40 million naira. 40 million naira in profit. So I'll be swinging this, but in between I'll be taking day trades. What's it called? Day trade trades by just swinging in between my Elliott wave as I've been doing for some days now. I think I swing this Elliott wave up to this extent. Then I'm waiting for a reversal on this, then probably take it from here. But I am not saying us doing up to this ABC move. Probably since we've broken character here, we might just be having, what's it called? This resistance now turned support on this, what's it called? Sorry, let me get this out. we might just be on verge of reversing from here. So let me get this out. So we might just be on the verge of reversing from here because definitely once we break a structure to the upside or change character, so most of the time we don't reverse up to what's it called 0.5 or 0.6. I guess. So if I can take this out and use this area of value which we had previously, I guess it, which will have 4 hour time frames is a good structure to hold as an intraday. So definitely, if I'm checking this, I'll go to my lower time frame to check here if we are changing character and start trending to the upside already. So if I'm going to take this, probably I'll make sure that my stop loss is at the bottom of 0.76. So if I'm entering from here, it's a very long trade, so you should have a lot of capital to enter this trade. So let's say if you have about, if I'm to calculate the lot size in case of my stop loss, 9,130 to probably 8,720. That's about how many pips? 9,130 minus 8,000, probably putting my stop loss at 8,600 minus 8,600. That's about 530 pips. So if I'm to calculate it from here, let me bring in my OptaFS trading calculator, AUD, USD, and see how many pips I'm putting on my stop loss. Okay, AUD card. Okay, I'm using 5 lots. I'm trying to calculate my stop loss. Okay, to enter a 5 lot, you need about $670, which is about most of the time I use just 5%. Let me say 10%. 10% of this trade is you have to have $6,000 on your account to enter this trade. $6,700 on your account. If you're using 5%, you have to have about 10. That's about, let me just say roughly $13,000 on your account. If you're using 1 lot, you have to have about is 134, which is about $2,000 on your account if you're using 1 lot on this because you've been using a lot of what's it called. So if I go back to my profit calculator and calculate my 530 pips on a 5 lot, okay, let me just say a period of after FS does not take trading fees for a period of days. So I'm using 5 lots on the trade and I'm selling from hold on 1 point. Sorry, where are we? 930. If I'm taking this trade from here, just trying to calculate my stop loss for you on 5.8860. Is it 8860 in the back there? Putting my stop loss here, below here. It's seven. Let me just say 8,700. 8,700. I'll be risking about hold on. I think I'm making a mistake. 0 point. Okay. 0 point. Sorry. So I'll be risking about $21,000 on this trade. Oh, that's too much to risk. That stop loss is just too high. So let me go back and calculate this again. That means my lot size is too high. So let me see if I can go back to a lower lot size. So if I'm having $13,000 on my account, and risking about $4,300 on this trade. Since I believe that I might be trending to the upside, I don't think for me it's a bad idea losing 4,300 on this trade because if I'm gonna go further and let me see how many risk to reward ratio using 1 lot on this trade and definitely we're coming for 1.3350 and our entry is 0.9130. Right? Okay, I'm gonna buy. So that will be about what's it called? Open price, sorry. My open price 0.9130. Sorry. 9130, 9130. Then my closing price is about 130, 350 is about $12,000 in profit. So if I'm risking 4,300 to make 12,500, 12,200 divided by 4,300. So my risk to reward ratio is 2.83. Let me just say risk to reward ratio is 3%. So I would prefer to enter this, swing this trade, but I am 100% sure that we might be reversing to the upside. So how do I find out if we're definitely going to reverse to the upside? You go to your intraday time frame. So if I get this out, let me get this out and go to my intraday time frames to see if, which is probably on our 1 hour, to see if we're really going to come back down with that much stop loss. So if I'm just going to swing this, I'm just going to close my eyes. I'll go to my intraday time frames to see if there's anything happening on our areas of value. I'm on the 1 hour time frame right now. What I can see is that we were trending to the downside before, I guess, in which we have done a double bottom right now, and we broke above that double bottom. So definitely, if we come here and we don't break it, this is my entry to start this trade. Do you understand market structure? This is how it works. So definitely, if we're still going to trend to the downside, risking above that. So on this trade right now, I'm changing my bias to bullish. Are you getting it? Until something goes wrong. So I'll be waiting for this area of value on this trade right now. Are you getting it? I'll be waiting for this area of value because so I'm going to change my bias right now so that since I'm also a day trader, I'm waiting for this to happen before I get in it. I'm waiting for this to happen, take my trade from here. My stop loss will just be above here. So let me recalculate my stop loss again. Let me recalculate my stop loss again. So since my entry price is going to be from, hold on, that's why it's good to go to your lower time frame to find out whatever is happening right now on your trade. Since 0.318 has been binged here, I guess in it binged here, definitely we might be on our way back up since we broke area of value on the daily time frame. So my intraday time frame is giving me here right now 9097. So if I put 9097, so 097 as my entry, and my stop loss is now 0.0 stop loss is now 0.26. So let me use 0.0000. So my stop loss is being reduced to just $970 on this trade. So I can even increase my lot size to 2. I get me risking just okay. 900. Hold on, coming. 900. Just bring my stop loss very down in case I guess in it. Normally, a lot of people put their stop loss here. What if, boom, before it starts going up? As it stands right now, broken. We've taken liquidity here already. I guess in it. So if we come down here and we don't break, that's the beginning of an uptrend to the upside. So this is what I'm looking out for. So I'll increase my lot size to 2. Or probably let me see if I can increase it to 5. Okay, I can still risk $4,850 on my $15,000 account. Are you getting it? And to see my profit, if this trade plays out on my 5 lot, then I'm buying from 0.97, then I'm closing at 1.0350. So this trade, if I'm still going with this trade, I'm making $62,650 on that trade. So if I should calculate that, $62,650, if I'm going to swing that for about 2 months times current price of dollar right now, or then probably that's a 46 million naira trade I'll be embarking on any moment from now. So I'm going to increase my lot size with risking about 4,300 or 4,850. How much did I get just now on that trade? Are you getting it? Putting my stop loss here. Then probably I'll go back to my daily time frame and we measure where my stop loss is if it's gonna, be above 0.5 fib retracement level. I will just take that. If it goes, it goes. Are you getting it? That's trading for you. So I believe that we are utilizing, what's it called? These area of value already. I guess I believe that we might be utilizing this area of value already because I do wash out that if we are really going to change character to the upside and break above this, definitely, definitely trade reverses just when it change characters for the first time, reverses just to 0.3, 0.30, which is at 0.947. So putting my stop loss below here or even bringing it down here, probably using my lot size, or you getting to probably still still give me what's it called? Still give me 0.9000. You get me? You still give me 1,900. That's a good reward ratio. Then probably my profits will reduce by definitely if I come back again by and probably put on 0.350, which is about this is about which is about $25,000 on this trade. So it depends on how much capital you have. I don't risk more than 5% of my capital on the trade. I get it. So this is a very good trade that is coming in from now. So watch out for AUD card. I'll be watching it out. So I'm just bringing to your notice. If you're a professional trader, just try and follow market structure and high trending. 1 hour is not a guarantee that I must hold, but I prefer that we take a structure from the 4 hour level, which definitely, if I'm to draw, this is an ABC move that it has done already. I guess so. After an Elliott wave, I guess after an Elliott wave, listen to this. If you're a trader, in case you don't know, after an Elliott wave that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is an Elliott wave because 1 did not pass 4. I get it. Now we do an ABC move to the downside and continue our leg higher. So definitely, I might say that these are entry already. I get it because if you look at the channel, if you look at our channel that I've been drawing, I've been following ever since. Definitely, we might just have done a fake out and come back to retest. What's it called? To retest our area of value, which is we have a resistance now turn support. So we've turned to the upside using another confluence, which is about 0.318 retracement level. So I'll be watching out for these levels to take my trade and start coming to the upside, which will take us to the next area of value. It's here, 0.387, but I'm ending my trade at 0.350. I guess because I might be even be taking this high. Depends. It depends on what happens when we get here. I guess except this trade will only fail. This trade will only fail if we binge below 0.782 or is it 786 on the Fibonacci retracement level, because this is definitely a change of character we have here already. I guess this is a change of character to the upside. So we might even retrace 0.5 before going back up. So what is your risk tolerance? What is your capital? How many lots can you enter on probably 5% or 3% of your capital? Take that entry, put your stop loss tight, as in put your stop loss not too tight, then swing it toward it. This is a very high pips. You calculate this from 350 to where we are right now. If you calculate that, 10350 minus 9097, that's about 1,253 pips. I guess, and this can probably happen in a month or two. So follow up your trading strategy. I'm a swing trader most of the time, but most of the time, if I have chance, I do day trade also. So I'll end this video for here so that you can see watching my Euro USD, and it's consolidating right now because we've done a definitely for us to start consolidating here. If you go down to probably your 4 hour time frame, you'll find out that you might have done an Elliott wave also. I've explained to you on definitely I will just have to find it. Definitely mine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what happens after an Elliott wave? It does consolidate, I guess in it, consolidate and does probably manipulate to the upside, come to the downside, and do an A, B, C move then before continuing to the upside. So you should you should do your studies and research very well before taking a trade. But this is a very good area of value. I'm saying here we've not broken. So I'm watching for a manipulation to the upside to our 8,005 1.0850 level, then breaking it before we know that we're in an uptrend, doing an ABC move to the downside, probably to this area of value. Are you getting it? Before continuing our leg higher, trending to the upside high. So this is what I'm looking out for. I'm looking for a reversal. There's no point of me thinking. There's no point taking a long trade on Euro USD or gold right now because it will be foolish because we are at an important area of value or probably that block. It depends on whatever you call it on your strategy. But I can't take a long trade right now until I find out whatever is happening here. So I'm willing to wait for any of this to happen. But my bias right now has changed to sell. I get the same thing on gold. Looking for gold to touch, come up and touch to 1,840 to $45. You can hold this, then we can start expanding to the upside. But definitely, this is a rising channel we are in right now on gold. I get in which have 60% tendency of breaking to the downside. I guess it before, which have a, a 60% tendency of breaking to the downside. I guess in touching probably this area of value before coming from 1,900. So these are things you should watch out for. We're seeing you on your trading journey. January to December, we are ready. We are ready. We are ready. Seriously, I am ready to to start trading again with a lot of confidence and a lot of fire in me. Seeing the dollar is still getting weak, I guess name. And gold just want to keep expanding. So but there's no point of me taking this trade up to this place. It is a very good trade. 17 to let me just say that's about 23 pips. That's 2,300 pips to wherever I'm saying that we're going right now on gold. But it's foolish of me to risk my capital to start trading this because I know definitely we've taken this high out and it's risky for you, for us. Again, now we've taken this high out. So if I can draw from here to here, I'm waiting for this 0.318 retracement to the downside or 0.30 before going up. So if you drop to the lower time frame, you might see that definitely whatever I've been drawing here since corresponds to what I've been explaining for you. This might end up being a double top formation with a fake out, breaking this, then coming back to retest our channel, then coming to 0.0 a 318 retracement on the far chart, which definitely messing up my chart right now, which definitely might be a good area of value. So if I should clean my chart backward, if I should clean my chart backward and see whatever might be happening there, I guess me. So hold on. I'm gonna get something of I'll clean it later and see whatever might be happening. I would say definitely we might be doing something up to this extent. We've broken this. We've broken this. You wash. We can't just keep going up with that. Use your brain. Use your brain. This is good. We've broken this. So I don't care if the dollar is weak or not. Since we've broken this and we're just doing some things here, I am not taking any trade. I guess I'm waiting for a reversal. Even though it gets here, I'm waiting for this reversal to happen. I get in a more probably an Elliott wave to this downside, to these areas of value. So if I don't get this, please I am not taking a trade. I guess because I want us to at least liquidate, take all this liquidity before we expand to 1,900. This is what I'm watching out on gold. If I don't have this, I'm not taking a trade. Without a good setup, I'm not taking a trade. Same thing I'm watching out for on UUSD also. If even though you are a professional trader, if you're getting greedy and you want to trade every day, you want to make money every day, you miss out on these large moves. It's not that because I'm a swing trader, it's because I wait for good setup, good chart patterns. I watch my breaks retest before taking trades or whatever you call it. So I'll be looking out for AUD cards as I've been giving analysis since. And I've just done a little quick analysis on gold and what I'm looking out for. I'm not looking at the dollar right now. I'm looking at my structures and I'm looking at my chart patterns and market structures. I trade pure market structure and price action. Yes, gold is still trending to the upside. I guess but this might end up being a fake out. I guess so. I'll just take all this out and keep my chart clean. I'll just take all that out and keep my chart clean and just, I guess, wait for whatever happens. So I'll end this video here and upload to my YouTube channel. Next year is going to be great for me. So if you want to be on this journey with me, next year I'm taking just 5 people just so that I'll not trade alone. Trading alone is boring. So I'm not, you don't need to give me your capital, just fund your accounts. I guess in it. The only thing you'll be doing for me is trading with me and making money for me. Definitely by the special grace of God, inshallah, I want to make sure that I make up to up to 1 billion rand next year taking all these trades. I guess in it. Taking all these trades and taking 5 loss on such trades, making up to the 62,000, taking 10 loss. Depends on my capital and be earning this. If I can be earning this and compounding it in less than 6 to 8 months, I should be up by definitely $1.5 million. If you calculate that in the current Naira price right now, it's over $1 billion already. So by the grace of God, this is what we'll be done with confidence because we've back tested, we've passed through every other thing. So 5 people on this training journey with me, fund your account. Don't use more than 3 to 5% of your account. Let's start trading and let's start breaking all the structures and shopping them up. I guess in it. Shopping them, even though it takes 3 months, definitely not business you put your probably your 5 million or your 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 5 million that will give you a return of nothing as in even 50 million or even though you buy a land of 1 million there's definitely no way that 1 million will give you 50 million in a year. So I'm guarantee you that your 1 million definitely, if you know what you're doing in trading and you're following a plan, you're following price action, you're following market structure, definitely you might use your 1 million naira to earn up to 50 to 100 million naira in a year because I'm about using my 10 million naira to 20 million naira to see if I can make up to 1 billion naira in a year. That is 100% possible. If you have your strict rules, if you have your strategy, you're not deviating from plans, you're not taking too much lot size, and you're not, just killing yourself with emotions and entry trades up and down. These things do respect structures. They do respect structures. Trust me, they do respect structures. So if I'm seeing an electro 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the retracement is telling me that we're about still trending to the upside. So if I can see an ABC move and don't retrace more than 50%, this trade it's a good to go to the upside. You understand? So ask your tutor, ask your mentor how these things are being done. Show them this chart. It might also help them in their trading journey and also just stay blessed and bye for now. My name still remains Mr. Amari Nelson. I'm the CEO of Vision X Limited. I'll be stopping this video here. Bye for now. Bye. Bye.